Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon, such a beautiful afternoon. And this is not a joke, this is serious, or not so serious. I am making a tutorial of how to make eyebrow makeup. Believe it or not, I do makeup tutorial. Okay, so one friend asked why I use Q-tip. I think because I have a double lid, eyelid, so there is something to clean it up or to just clean it up. I use Q-tip to start with. Some left over from last time, and the makeup will be super duper simple. And you want to, this is weekend, you do not have a big, I do not have a big event, so I just want to do a video of makeup to teach you how to do makeup, if I dare to say that. So the first thing, I use a relatively longer, this one is relatively long. There are something so teeny tiny small like this. Oh, it's so not easy to use. So I use this one side dark brown, very dark color, and I did not wear my glasses, so I cannot see very well. You know, this is there is some advantage of not seeing so well, so that you do not pay too much attention, so that you can cure your OCD because you cannot see. Seeing is believing. Our source of problem comes from seeing the problem. If we do not see, we will have no problem. Put some dark one, and now turn it the other side. I use the gold color just to smear a little bit, so all the dust is everywhere, not only in one place. And that is my eye makeup. And for the eyebrow makeup, this is dry. I get a little bit of water and use a relatively dark color. This one here is quite dark. And do not look at it too much. Do not pay too much attention. Sometimes one up, one down, sometimes not even is okay. Oh my goodness, today I am doing it so even, to my surprise. A lot of time it comes out not even. I am not intentionally making it not even because I cannot see very well. So that's it, not perfect. And then you use this one to get rid of the excess color and smear all the black all over your face. And use the other side to clean up a little bit. I think that is how I do my makeup. And This one is done. Change a new one. And this one is not plastic. It's made of paper. You can still use the other side. Then clean up a little bit the rest of it, and that is my makeup. And not too much other places. And then we put a lip color, one layer of color pigments, another layer of lip balm. So whatever shape, do not worry, because I will use the lip balm to smear around. And that's about it. So you can do it like this, or just one thread here. You can see only one thread here to put on. Oh, do I have a large one? We used the round one. How about that? And that's it. That's a pretty serious makeup, more than I have wanted. And that's about it. Do I look good? I do not look good. It's okay. I am not marrying you. That's it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do.